Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is the Autopilot investment app. So basically this Autopilot investment app, as its name suggests, is a investment app. So what does it do specifically? It tracks people from government parties and famous people all around the world, and it will give you a investment spreadsheet, basically quote unquote spreadsheet of how they track them and what do they buy, and you can also invest and what they're investing. So we have Pelosi right here, which is all we all know is some type of insider trader. That's why she is really profitable right here, which is pretty much illegal. So as you can see right here, throughout 1 year she rose almost 86%. So you can select Pelosi as a tracker, and you can connect to your broker using Robinhood or Webull. Or you don't see your brokerage, you must contact them right here, and you can find your brokerage that is active right here. So if you don't have one, you'll have to go with the option of international customer, which is gonna add you to a wait list, which is very um, time consuming, and it's basically just gonna waste your time. So I suggest you use a Robinhood account for this so that you'll be able to use the Autopilot investment app. So this is not financial advice. This is only a guide for you to track people, and it's still up to you on how you invest your money. Don't depend your whole savings and investments on this app itself, because people will also fail. So there you go, guys. This is what the Autopilot investment app is. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.